G'day everyone, welcome back to Opal's NZ, and if you're new here, welcome. On this channel we take rough opal and grind it into beautiful gemstones. So today we have a piece of Coober Pedy rough, and it is a bit of a gamble, but I have a good feeling about this one, so let's take a closer look. So today's piece is 36.5 carats, and yeah, it's got some really nice colour, beautiful crystal bar there, and there's even some reds and blues in there. So the bar seems to go all the way around, which is good. See a little bit of it there. There is a lot of sand on this piece, but I've shone the torch in it, and I think there's a clean patch which kind of corresponds to this darker potch backing here. So I'm hoping we'll get a stone out of the center there, which should face hopefully pretty bright. So yeah, we'll have a play, we'll go around the edges, and then I'm probably going to face it from this direction, but I'll go around the edges first and have a look. And yeah, let's jump on the machine and see if we can unveil the beauty of this piece. Alright, so I'll start out on the 270 grit wheel. Well, I can see the bar I want all the way around, go for gold and take the top off. So here we go. I just moved to the 600 wheel now, so I can just go nice and slowly. I'll slice that off. Might be a little bit of inlay material, and then I'll slice around about there somewhere. Alright, so I've made some marks for myself. Woohoo! So I'll get that sliced up. It'll make a nice little stone actually. Right, out to this corner piece. Okay. Just to the side of my line a little bit. Alright, back to the grinding wheels. Look at that beauty. And that's going to get even better. It's going to get even better. Wow. There's even pink in there. Yes. That is going to make a cracking good stone. So it's a bit long, and look at that colour on the tip there where it's really hitting that nice bar. But my issue is it's getting a bit thinner there. But I actually quite like the size of that as a big long oval. Right, I'm going to have a gander at this and come up with a plan. Okay, so I've dried it out and we have cracks, unfortunately. So there's one there that's fairly deep. There's a sand spot. That is 16.5 carats. Like that. Too good to be true. Too good to be true. If that was crack free, wow. Holy moly. So yeah, I'll try and get some of these surface cracks out of this area, clean up a little bit more of the sand, and then see how we go. So we're much thinner now. So just say we won't be 16 carats anymore. Maybe half of that already. But I think, as tragic as it is, this is probably going to end up being probably 4 pieces because there's cracks all over the show. Alright, so I've got my slicing marks. That's what we're going to do. I forgot to mention before, this is 12.3 carats like this. And oh boy, wouldn't it have been nice for it to be one piece. I could have made a very flat but a beautiful pendant stone. But never mind, we shall make the most of it. Alright, so I've just roughly shaped them. I don't want to commit. I don't want to commit to 2 shapes yet, but I'll probably do 2 drop shapes obviously, and then probably maybe go for an oval or a freeform there. But first I'm going to dry it out and see what the crack situation's looking like now. Hopefully I've got them, or at least got them very close to gone, and I'll just identify any last bits so that I can tailor my shapes to get the most out of it while still getting rid of any last bits and pieces of cracks. Okay, I dried them out and had a look. They're looking pretty good. So in this piece there's just a little bit of a remainder of a crack there, so I'll go for my drop shape there. We have the other side, which has a old healed crack inclusion, so I'll try and get that out. So I might be able to roll a bit of that out, hopefully, and I'll go for my drop shape there. So we may get a pair, be close. And then this piece is looking pretty clean. There's just a fraction of a little bit of crack left there, so I'll get that out, no worries. And then there's that big wedge shape cracked there, which I was thinking I could slice off, but I'm going to just grind it off. because I may be able to gain a little bit of stone, a little bit of dome underneath as a roll, and just try and get as big of a oval as I can here. Alrighty, so it's actually a few days have gone by. After shaping, I left them to sit for a while, but this is what we've ended up with, and they are stunning pieces, but it's very sad because they all have developed more cracks, unfortunately. But this is the big drop shape, and I've actually taken the back off completely. I haven't given it a high polish, I just did a pre-polish on the back. I was just playing around with it because at this point these pieces are all cracked. They are unsellable, unfortunately. So beautiful as they are, yeah, they are cracked. So stunning bright colour, absolutely stunning, very much 3D colour on colour. This one's the only one that's a little bit milky, but I could probably take it down even more. And I mean, look at that pink and purple, some really beautiful reds in there on certain angles as well. So I haven't bothered cleaning up the backs because these stones are just going to be just kept. I guess I'll just keep them for a reminder. And I mean, they are very pretty, but you wouldn't want to put them in jewellery, unfortunately. If they were clean, if they did stay stable, it would have been a profitable venture. But as it stands, I'll lose money because I can't really sell them, but I can keep them for myself. So I'll see if I can show you some of these cracks. This piece is heavily cracked. The one I thought was very clean. You can see one there. They're just all through it. So a bit of a shame. I mean, it seems to be like it's not going to crumble to pieces, but I'm actually wishing I have left it as one big piece. When I saw those cracks in there, and I thought I could slice it up and salvage some clean bits from it, which is what these are, what I intended to do. That didn't happen. The cracks continued to appear. It's just unstable material. So what I should have done is I should have left it as that big oval piece that I had, the 12 or so carats that it was, with the cracks in it, and I should have just polished it up as a specimen. That's that. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and keep your eyes peeled for the next video coming out. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.